Captain's log, stardate 2011. The time is early morning. It is close to 8 a.m. I'm looking at a few things. I have never seen such things before. They're very small and they have feathers. And they seem to be moving very, very quickly. Too quick for my liking. There you go, that's one of them. Whoops. I'm going back. And they're very, very delicious looking. Oh yeah, it's breakfast time. Would you like to be part of my breakfast? Oh, I think he understood what I had to say. And he's moved away. I promise you, you'll make a very tasty morsel, sir. Or madam. There's another one. Oh well. Oh, whoops. I can just imagine if this was the Arctic Circle, with me being the only survivor amongst these creatures. I think they'd have me for breakfast.